Good morning, Garden Universe. Jane here in the romantic garden on beautiful Whidbey Island. I'm going to show progress on the Tiki garden projects today and some of the garden projects in general. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you finished projects and what I'm still working on. I have a little projects that I want to finish up. This privacy screen made out of the 6-foot reed grass fencing I got at Home Depot, and some branches of an old diseased curly willow we cut down. It's a privacy screen basically so we can sit on our patio in privacy and have less of a view of the hoop house behind it. Well, this was a project that became a disaster. I had this old antique basket chair that my folks gave to me. The bottom rotted out of it, and I thought, well, I'll just put a cocoa fiber liner in it and plant some things. And all the rain, it collapsed it. So I've got a different idea. I had planted, let's see what's in there. Oh, some nasturtiums, which are still growing. Lovely. I'll have to transplant them and redo this. This is gonna take a little bit of effort. And about all the crowing roosters, I raise chickens. That's the sound of the country. Inside the hoop house, this is another project I've got going. There are 2 large baskets. I'm gonna fill them with annuals. I've got some started. Oh, I don't pick out anything super fancy. Just I walk down the aisles in the local nursery, and if it looks pretty, if anything's blooming, so I can actually see the colors of the little basket stuffers. I like to see what I'm purchasing before I go to the trouble of planting them up. Nothing's cheap anymore. Everything costs quite a bit, especially when you live on an island. Everything has to come over on a ferry boat. So I'm really choosy what I put in my planters. Another project I want to get at is, I'm hardening off all the new plants, the tropicals and subtropicals. I keep them in the house overnight. When the temperature comes up above 47 in the morning, I bring them out, and then I leave them out all day if it's decent weather. But I want to plant some filler plants in the big pots. I did this one. It's got a few choice things in there, but I have a couple other that I want to do. So, but I want interesting plants in there, not just your average everyday petunias. I want something pretty interesting and different. A fun project I'm going to do today is paint some little tiki signs for our patio area. It's not exactly a tiki bar, and it's not exactly just a regular garden area, so we're going to call it our Tiki Lounge. And it needs something clever and cute. Accessorizing the Tiki Lounge, that's what I'm going to do. Oh, new project. Some scrap wood, a little bit of paint, inspiration from the internet. And we'll see what it looks like later. 2 layers of acrylic paint, a black wash, and then a blue wash. And so that's the background so far. So thank you for watching. Please leave a thumbs up or share. Ask questions if you'd like. I'd be happy to answer anything. So I'll see you next time.